Hey there, struggling to connect to the internet even with your TP-Link extender setup? This week I've got a comprehensive guide on how to fix your TP-Link extender showing no internet connection. When your internet behaves like a pesky roommate who doesn't want to cooperate, it can be frustrating, especially when you rely on it for work, streaming, or staying connected with loved ones. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through getting back online. Step 1. Diagnose the connection problem. First things first, let's diagnose the issue. Sometimes the problem isn't with the extender itself. Ensure your main router is working by connecting a device directly to it via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If it fails, restart your router and check the internet connection. If it's up and running, the issue likely lies with your TP-Link extender. Check if your extender's LED lights are correctly indicating a connection. Typically, a solid light means a good connection, while a blinking one suggests an issue. Step 2. Check extender placement. Placement is key. Your TP-Link extender must be within range of your main router's signal to effectively boost it. If the extender is too far, it won't receive a strong enough signal to boost. Try moving it closer to the router and use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your phone to find an optimal spot for maximum coverage. Remember, for the best results, place the extender halfway between your router and the area where you're experiencing a weak signal. Step 3. Reconfigure your TP-Link extender. Sometimes reconnecting your devices is all you need. Access the TP-Link extender's settings using a web browser or app. You'll need the default IP address, which is usually something like 192.168.0.254, or you can visit tplinkrepeater.net. Make sure your device is connected to the extender's network. Then enter your login details and reconfigure the extender by going through the setup process again. Verify that it is connected to the correct network and that you've entered the right password. Step 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connection issues, so it's important to keep it updated. To do this, check TP-Link's website or use the TP-Link Tether app for the latest firmware updates for your specific model. Follow the instructions to download and install these updates. Updating can fix bugs and improve your extender's performance, giving you a more stable connection. Step 5. Restart and reset. If all else fails, a good old-fashioned restart might do the trick. Power cycle your TP-Link extender by unplugging it for 5 to 10 seconds and then plugging it back in. If the connection is still unstable, consider resetting the extender to its factory settings. Use a pin to press the reset button until the LED lights flash, then set it up anew using the TP-Link app or web interface as mentioned earlier. And there you have it. How to fix your TP-Link extender when it shows no internet connection. By diagnosing the problem, checking placement, reconfiguring settings, updating firmware, and restarting your device, you should be back online with stronger, more reliable internet. Remember, patience is key when troubleshooting tech issues. It might require a bit of fiddling with settings and placement, but with these steps, you'll enhance your internet experience at home. Stay connected and may your streaming be seamless.